Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. First, a disclaimer, two disclaimers. My kids are crazy, so you may or may not hear them. And two, it's raining outside, so if it ends up coming on the video, I apologize. I went on Amazon and I got a mini bike. It's an MB or MB200. And I've seen all kinds of videos online about these things and people doing reviews. It's not new, so I'm just gonna do my take on a review and maybe a quick rip. I'll be doing some modifications. I don't know exactly what yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do a torque converter, but I'll probably be doing an exhaust and a couple other things. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It just depends on if I get bored or not with this thing. But either way, it's gonna be some fun. I'm gonna use it to help my girls learn how to ride a dirt bike. So we're a little pressed for space in here, so without further ado, let's get into it. I should probably pick that up.
We have to build it first.
Yeah, there's a bolt there, yep.
And
Little glove box right here. Okay, let's see what's in there.
let me see.
What the? Some instructions. We don't need that.
And we have these.
These, I don't know what that is. We might need those.
And I need
Tools? You don't need tools?
Yes, we do.
All right, let's build this. So I've decided not to do an assembly video. It's been done before. Nobody wants to see a montage of me building this thing. Super simple to take apart though. All you need is a couple of 9/16 wrenches. There's a bunch of bolts along the bottom. Easy peasy. Me personally, I like to keep hardware. You never know when you can use it, and it's come in handy numerous times. I also like to keep scrap metal. Not just to make things out of. We got Mr. Peanut Head over there. We got a tank somewhere around here. There we go. Not just to make things out of, but you never know. It could come in handy. Alright, next time you see this thing, it's going to be built, and then we're going to take it on a little rip. It says here, are these upside down? This is upside down.
That's on.
Open fuel valve and switch choke to start.
All right.
Where the fuck's the fuel valve, yo? On, off. That's this. So it's actually on already. That's off. That's on. That's choke. And then pull to start.
And then you're gonna pull start.
Wait 30 seconds for it to warm up, and then put it on run.
Okay.
Well, let's open the garage.
We're gonna open the garage.
Fumes and whatnot.
You know, of course. It's a
How many
beautiful rainy night.
pulls do you think?
Ooh, I'm going
pull?
first pull.
No way. I don't
I'm
think
going
so.
maybe 3. Watch your elbow. Oh, first pull! First pull!
I'm surprised that worked. I've seen a couple other people online do it first pull, but
There you go. The gods are with us.
mini bike gods. Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. That was already bent.
Of course. All right, here we go. Here we go. Get the low light feature. At least you got your headlight on.
I hope you like it. Subscribe if you like it. And bye.